Welcome to University of Eldoret, a center of excellence in teaching, learning, research, and innovation. We invite you into our newest and most dynamic spaces, the UoE Media and Learning Production Studios. These studios were established to transform how we create, how we deliver, and how we experience knowledge. They are designed to support high-quality digital learning, professional media production, and creative innovation across all academic and administrative units. Lecturers can record interactive lessons, they can do voiceovers, demonstrations, and digital content that engages learners beyond the classroom. Students too access a professional environment to build their media skills, produce projects, and explore new forms of storytelling. With advanced audiovisual technology, bring screen capabilities, animation tools, as well as post-production software, the UoE Media and Learning Production Studios provide an end-to-end environment for capturing ideas and bringing them to life. Our dedicated production team offers technical support, scripting guidance. They offer editing services and training to ensure every piece of content meets the highest standards of quality and clarity. Whether you are developing e-learning modules, whether you are developing corporate communication materials, and whether you are doing research documentaries as well as community outreach content or promotional videos, the studios are your home for creativity and excellence. Welcome to UoE Media and Learning Production Studios, where ideas become media and media becomes learning. We empower education, we enhance innovation, and we inspire change.